Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic outdoor patio, colorful flowers, pink, orange, and purple hydrangeas and other assorted blooms in planters and overflowing from the ground, light beige/gray wicker furniture, a sectional couch with various patterned pink and orange throw pillows, a side chair with orange and white patterned throw pillow, a round wicker side table with small terracotta pots, wooden planters with more plants, a light beige wooden deck or patio, a light beige pergola or covered area with a light beige/cream colored wall, bright natural light, vibrant colors, detailed textures, impressionistic rendering. Photorealistic outdoor patio, evening light, covered porch with dark gray pillars, light beige/gray walls, large windows with dark glass, a sectional sofa with light gray cushions and patterned throw pillows in pink and black, vibrant flower beds overflowing with a profusion of flowers in various shades of pink, orange, red, yellow, and white, hanging plants with dark green foliage, wooden patio flooring, soft lighting illuminating the flowers and furniture, impressionistic style of image. Focus on the details of the flowers, colors, and patterns, attention to shadow and light of the scene. Photorealistic outdoor patio scene, light gray stone patio, with a light gray couch with reddish-orange throw pillows. Wooden patio furniture, lush garden with various colorful flowers, vibrant pinks, oranges, purples, whites. A white house with a porch visible in the background. Natural light, impressionistic in the flowers background, focus on the garden and patio furniture in light wood tones. Detailed foliage and flower blossoms. Photorealistic outdoor patio scene, light gray wicker couch with light beige cushions and navy blue patterned throw pillows, stone facade with dark gray double doors, potted flowers with orange, purple and other fall colors filling the foreground and arranged around a gray stone patio, fall colors, natural light, porch with wooden pillars, decorative outdoor lighting, soft lighting, patio furniture, aesthetics like a real-world photo. Detailed garden plants, realistic perspective, detailed colors, natural light. A modern, hyper-realistic garden patio. A light gray sectional sofa with an orange accent pillow sits in front of a house with large windows and a light gray stone facade. The flower beds are bursting with vibrant colors, reds, oranges, yellows, purples, and pinks. Various types of flowers and plants are densely packed, creating a colorful, dense tapestry. A light gray stone pathway winds through the garden, leading to a lush green lawn. The scene is bright and sunny, with natural light illuminating the space. Focus on the detailed textures of the flowers, foliage, and pathway stones. Include the depth of the garden beds, showing layers of plants. Full daylight, high definition, and realistic rendering. A cozy outdoor porch, hyper-realistic, featuring a gray wicker sofa with colorful throw pillows, sitting on a light gray patio. Brightly colored flowers, including vibrant pink, red, orange, and white blooms, are planted in pots and surrounding the sofa. Hanging planters with mixed greenery and flowers add a layer of vertical interest. The porch features a wooden beam ceiling, gray siding, and large windows overlooking a lush green landscape. The colors are rich and inviting, with the interplay of warm woods and cool grays. A patterned rug lies on the patio floor. Natural lighting, a gentle breeze, and sunlight filtering through large windows. Outdoor patio furniture, landscape, garden, light gray couch with colorful patterned cushions, stone wall, vibrant flowers, hyper-realistic, bright orange, yellow, purple, and pink flowers, variety of plants, stone patio, sunny day, lush green shrubs, decorative pillows, natural light, detailed textures, mid-afternoon light, detailed flowers, stone accents, lush greenery. Photorealistic porch, colorful flower beds, porch with gray wicker furniture and colorful throw pillows. Home exterior with a white porch and pillars. Lush garden with vibrant flowers in reds, oranges, yellows, pinks, purples, and whites. A variety of flower types, shrubs, and greenery. A patio with stone or paver surface. Natural daylight, bright but not harsh light. A backdrop of trees and foliage. Detailed, hyper-realistic rendering of flowers. A corner sectional sofa in dark gray wicker. Focus on the colorful flowers and furniture, soft light, warm tones. Hyper-realistic outdoor porch, light gray brick house, wooden slatted porch with a metal patio set, light gray sofa with dark gray, orange, and mustard yellow cushions, a metal frame, lots of colorful flowers in a flower bed, vibrant marigolds, purple, pink, red, orange, and yellow flowers, shrubs and bushes, dark gray shutters on the windows, pillars supporting the porch, a sunny day, impressionistic soft lighting. Full outdoor shot, vibrant, colorful flower garden in front of a brick house, hyper-realistic, a large, two-story brick home with a classic porch, dark brown shutters, and a wide stone walkway leading to the front door. The walkway is paved with a light gray and brown stone. The flower garden is bursting with a variety of fall flowers, in shades of orange, yellow, purple, and magenta with green shrubbery, lush green grass, and neatly arranged flower beds. Bushes, trees, and shrubs add depth and dimension to the scene. The sunlight is warm and casts soft shadows. The sky is partly cloudy, with a bright light. Peaceful and inviting ambience. Photorealistic outdoor patio area. Covered patio with light beige/cream colored walls, large pillars, and a wooden bench with gray cushions and colorful throw pillows, orange, light gray, and beige. Lush landscaping with vibrant orange and purple flowers, and various green plants, a mix of textures. Low plantings and shrubs surround the patio seating area. Plenty of natural light, soft shadows cast on flowers. Well-maintained, modern contemporary design. Outdoor living space. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio, contemporary home, covered deck, bright sunlight, orange and cream-colored patio furniture, wooden deck, vibrant flower beds with orange, yellow, pink, purple, and green flowers, lush green grass, dark gray modern house exterior, large windows, trees and shrubs, wooden fence, patio furniture with orange cushions, low stone patio, detailed flower textures, realistic lighting and shadows. A vintage-style wooden porch swing seat with a vibrant floral print fabric. Hyper-realistic, outdoor setting. Deep teal blue painted porch walls with white shutters. Rustic wooden bench with weathered, brown finish. Floral print fabric with soft pinks, peaches, blues, and yellows showcasing various flower and foliage patterns. Cream/off-white pillows on the seat provide a soft contrast to the fabric. Plants in terracotta pots, including vibrant pink chrysanthemum flowers, lush green plants, and vibrant red-orange plants, like a type of bird of paradise or similar, and yellow flowers. Hyper-realistic backyard scene, bright sunny day, modern house with white siding and black trim, covered porch with gray patio furniture, 2 love seats and a small ottoman, vibrant flower beds with various colors of flowers, including orange, yellow, red, pink, purple, and white. Flower beds are in dark gray/charcoal planter boxes, green grass lawn, wooden fence, trees in the background, outdoor space design. Impressionist style soft lighting on the flowers and garden, realistic. Textures of grass, flowers, and house materials.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.